just keeps running. And I tried to adjust the water. Or, I'm sorry, not the water, but the fill valve, and it's broken. When I pull up on it, it sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just gonna replace it. Oh, they got a little butthole sprayer on there. That's no biggie. Okay, so that's good. But do you hear something? Do you hear it? I checked the other toilet, and there's no water leaking by the flush valve. That tells me that underneath the house there may be a leak. This is working good though. I think there's a leak under the house. I can hear it out here. All right, let's oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. That is not good. I haven't even crawled under there yet. It is soaked. Oh boy. Okay, well, guess I'll have to crawl under there and fix it. All right, you can slowly turn it on. It's copper. All right, you're good. I also wrap this with some pipe wrap. I'm going to do the same on this because it's touching these. I think these are old galvanized water lines, or they're gas. I'm not sure. That's it. Let's turn the water back on. Look at that. That doesn't look right. All right. No more leaks. Wrapped top and bottom there. Hot and cold. And you're gonna have more leaks soon, I tell you that. These copper pipes do not look too healthy, that's for sure. I don't see any other leaks. Water's back on. All right, our job is done.